In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Docs to insert checkboxes into your Google Sheets. This feature is incredibly useful for creating checklists, tracking tasks, or even managing projects right within your spreadsheets. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and open your Google Sheets application. If you're starting from scratch, you can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets homepage and clicking on the plus button to create a new sheet. Once your sheet is open and ready, you'll choose a specific cell where you want to place a checkbox. This is the foundation of your checklist, the very spot where you will begin your task tracking. Next, simply navigate to the top menu. Click on the Insert option. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various choices of items that you can include in your sheet. From this menu, find and select Checkbox. You'll notice instantly that the checkbox appears in the selected cell. It's straightforward and takes just a few seconds. This simple addition can transform your mundane numbers and text into an interactive element in your spreadsheet. But what if you need more than one checkbox? Not to worry, Google Sheets makes it simple to add multiple checkboxes across a range of cells. To do this, click and drag your mouse across all the cells that you want to include. Once you've highlighted your desired range, repeat the same steps. Go back to the Insert menu at the top and click on Checkbox. Just like that, checkboxes will appear in all the highlighted cells, transforming your sheet into a powerful tool for organizing tasks and data. Now that all your checkboxes are in place, it's time to see them in action. By clicking on a checkbox, you can toggle it between checked and unchecked states. This process allows you to mark tasks as completed or pending, providing a visual cue that is both effective and motivating. And if you want to track multiple items, simply repeat these steps to insert more checkboxes as needed. You can manage your checklist efficiently by interacting with these checkboxes. This added layer of interactivity turns a simple spreadsheet into an engaging tool for project management or any task list you might be maintaining. So, whether you're keeping track of a personal to-do list, managing team tasks, or organizing project items, Google Sheets and its checkbox function are excellent resources to enhance productivity. Enjoy exploring this tool and seeing firsthand how simple additions can make a significant impact on organizing your work. Tune in for more tips and tutorials to maximize your efficiency with Google Docs and Sheets. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.